I am the one governor who sat through the entire meeting with every CEC and chief officer. We were at Nairobi Safari Club, went through the entire process, and I've been taking step by step. And so I would not want the current report, the issues can be dealt with, but they should not contribute to the opinion of this current, which they're actually finishing. Because I believe those issues have been resolved. That is the clarification I require.
Point of order. With great respect, Governor, I don't think you can set your own marking scheme.
No, and then it's not a marking scheme. I'm saying
just allow the.
You know, if you do cases,
just allow
from 2 results and from 0 results.
Just allow the Auditor General to undertake the process in accordance with the law and the Constitution.
Exactly. That is what I want.
And do not exert undue pressure for a certain result.
Yes. So just to clarify, I would never do that.
Yeah, we must protect the Auditor General.
The KCSE results should not be the average of Form 2 and 3.
Through you, Chairman, Governor, Excellency Governor,
that's the new
you are already telling yourself how your audit is excellent, and the Deputy Director, gosh.
No, Senator.
Boss, you know, these are the things you talk about, and we are like, hey,
Senator Nyonka,
what does my Excellency Governor think who we are?
You're taking words out of my mouth. What I have said, and I am repeating a concern raised by the Auditor General himself.
The auditor hasn't pronounced themselves. Let them pronounce themselves.
No, they have said the first two that you want to consolidate were disclaimer, and the second one was adverse.
Yes.
I'm sure the record will bear me out. That is what Mark has said, isn't it? Maybe
we still don't know the opinion. We still don't know the opinion of the Auditor General in the current year. So
yes, but his concern he has raised.
Let us not anticipate. Let us not anticipate debate. Let's allow the Auditor General to do their job. Because you see, if you don't fix the issues of 2 years ago, then there's no way you'll be okay today. If you don't fix the numbers,
I think you don't
2 years ago.
I don't think you've got what I was.
No, I've heard you. I understand you.
And what Mark said also.
That you would wish to link the two. Unfortunately, there is prior year issues which accounts for the opinion of the auditor in the current year. So what you need to do, if what you have brought to the Senate was in answer to the issues that were raised by the Auditor General, then just sit with the Auditor General, satisfy the Auditor General that those gaps have been closed, and if those gaps have not been closed, then just allow the Auditor General to report to the Senate on their findings.
Chair, I don't want to determine the outcome. Maybe if you allow him to expound on the point he said, because I feel that has not been taken into account. He raised a very significant point. Chair, not even if you don't take what I've said, just hear what the Auditor General himself has pronounced on.
Mark, why is the governor coaching you on what to say?
Why is he defending you?
He already said it. It's not me.
Mark?
Chair, if I may, the point I was raising was that in the previous years, we had a disclaimer of